welcome back to a new video of Sam Gamer YouTube channel. Today we will play a rank match with my friend Shomurup, and today we will try our best to do Booyah. So guys, today I have come as Sam, and this Ethan you see, this Ethan is actually my second account, and and Shomurup is not able to speak on his phone, so he is speaking in the mic. So today I have kept Ethan to so I can speak to him, and because in Sam I am recording. So guys, now I am ready and Ethan is also ready. Now let's start.
So Sam, can we do the only MP5 challenge?
Okay, MP5 challenge, that would be fun. Okay, I will take a screenshot for thumbnail, okay? Hello. Oh, he has. Wait until we get in the match. Then then I will. Then I will. I mean, start my recording again. Hello.
Guys, please. Many people see the video, but they don't like and subscribe. Why they don't? I can't understand.
Yes, guys, there is a dialog box up. Please subscribe and like it, and do not forget to share and comment. Guys, today's like target will be.
We try for you to bring good videos.
Yes, guys, please like. Today's like target will be only 8 likes. 8. Who is this Alan? Who is this Alan?
I don't know that.
Let's go to the blue zone. Oh no, we will not go to the blue zone. Let's go to Katoliswa.
Hello.
Yes,
Please revive me. So I am
blue zone. Hello.
Please try to see, okay? I am not with you because guys, you don't have a Bermuda Triangle. I want to tell you that sometimes our net was not okay and we go to the Bermuda Triangle. It is a glitch, you can say. From here we can't go to the Bermuda map.
Yes,
So
guys.
This is a so much dangerous thing. So please do not do this.
If you go offline before landing, you will go to the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a place in the sea where you cannot get away from. And it is in Free Fire you cannot swim or do anything else.
Yes. So now if I die, Sam, so please revive me.
Okay, agreed. Until I find MP5, I can take any guns.
Yes. So what guns you got?
Pass and Kar 98KZ.
Dragon, you are in Katoliswa.
Katuli.
Guys, I am the dangerous way.
Yes.
Guys, hello Sam, can you see our guys that I am not in the map also.
I do not know where you are. You are not in the map, guys. If you carefully see, he is not in the map only. He is not in the map only.
Guys, please don't do this anytime. Please don't go offline before
Landing.
you land.
Because if you do that, you can see what is happening.
This is a very dangerous glitch.
Yes, but I cannot find MP5 anywhere. Oh, I can buy MP5. Let me buy an MP.
You can buy we can use MP5X also.
Yes, MP5 and MP5X. Where is MP5? But I mean, where is the store? This is the store. Where the hell is the store? Is this? Where is the store?
But hello Sam, please put a forest scope on MP5.
Oh, MP5 is 3 coins, and I have only 1 coin. I have no scope on my MP5. I want a 4x. Guys, until I get an MP5, let me try and hunt for 6 coins. Then I can get double MP5. Let me go to the graveyard.
In the graveyard, you will only find sniper.
That I know, but if I find coins, I need coins.
But in blue zone, we don't get coins. Go to shipyard.
Yes. Shipyard is a very good place. I know shipyard. Oh. There is a
Please
four.
eliminate Ethan.
Oh, he will eliminate automatically outside the safe zone. Let me go to observatory.
Yes, you go to observatory.
Someone is giving me damage.
There would be an enemy, I suppose.
Yes, there are enemies. Let me go to observatory.
The zone will be in peak.
What?
The main zone will be in peak.
Yes, I know that. Picky peek. Oh, I got a level 3 bag. Hello? I have 2 coins. I need another coin. Hurry! Down.
High damage.
Oh, guys, he has 2 thermal scopes. Where is the another thermal scope here? Guys, I think his teammate is nearby. I know. Hey, guys, let us make this an MP5X and UMP challenge. Okay. Hello. Shomurup guys, Shomurup has gone offline again. Why does he goes offline again and again and again? God knows, guys. God knows. I had got level 3 bag. Okay. So, guys, now let us proceed. We have got this, then this. Let's go, guys. Now get out of here. How many coins I have left? 3. I want 1 more, then I can. I think perhaps then I can. Oh, I got 2. I will revive Shomurup when he dies. He has not died till now. When he dies, I will revive him, guys. So, guys, hang on and let's see. Let's see if we can do a booyah. There's a Lambo. Let me take that Lambo. Guys, I am a rich person because I have Lambo. Woohoo! Yeah. Lambo is so fast, almost uncontrollable. So fast it is a Lambo. When will Shomurup get off online? Guys, when will Shomurup get online? Let's see, can we buy a reviver card and use it for later? I think Shomurup has gone online. cannot do that. But I thought, how many coins do I have? 7. So they need, they will need 3 coins, 4 coins. So let me take another MP5X. Guys, we will. Hello.
I'm going to die.
I know. So I will revive. I can revive you.
Yes.
Let me take a screenshot for the thumbnail. Alan has also died. You are going to die. I have enough coins to revive you. First I will revive you, then I will revive Alan. Who the hell is Alan? I have double MP5XC.
Trophy.
You die first. You are knocked now. Ethan has also died after. Ethan has some enemies, so he died. I thought he died. Yeah, will I go to the revival zone or will I just?
Token.
Okay, first you die. You are not dying only. Are you made of steel? Let me go to the Bhima Shakti. I will give you revive in the Bhima Shakti until. No, you are almost dead.
Yes.
Now you die. Show more. Yeah, take it.
Thank you.
So guys, now
I have to loot something.
let me go to the revival zone. I think I can revive them. Guys, I am going to the revival zone now.
Hello
Here
sir,
is
can you give me some tokens? I want to buy MP5. Can you give me some tokens?
I have 0 token currently. Oh, if I get in the car, you will not get revived. Where are you? Get lost.
I'm going to find gun.
Go. I have 2 thermal
But
scopes.
I got a sky.
Yes.
But I got a free glue wall.
You can take 2 glue walls from me. I have enough.
Can you give me one MP5?
No, sorry, I cannot give you that. You
I don't have gun.
can take UMP from the coin store. There is a coin store there. There I left an UMP.
No, I got AUG.
Let me land Ethan straight on the.
Until I get MP5, I will use M4A1 and AUG.
Okay. Guys, I'm landing Ethan, so I cannot see anything. Let me land Ethan first. Where is the car I left here? Oh dear.
The car has been damaged.
I have got another car. I am very rich person. I have got many cars.
Can you give me some lift?
Come here. Fast. Are. My car is super excited. Where are you?
Give me some lift.
Come.
Now
Let's
you
go.
can go. Come too fast.
In the inclined plane, the car cannot go very fast.
Yes.
But in the downward plane, it can go very fast.
There is a vending machine.
Let's go to Bhima Shakti. Yo,
I want MP5.
you can get coins from here. Go find coins. And if I find any coin, then I will give it to you. Here is a coin. Here, take from me. Take from me. Wait. Yeah, 1 coin. If I find coin, I will give it to you. Give it to you.
I got your password.
I do not like swars. There is some enemies here.
Okay. I will kill them with AC-80 and smash bar.
There is the enemy. Hurry. He is
Very bad damage. You got a very bad damage.
But I have healed. Kill him.
I gave him a lot of damage.
Rush.
I don't have medikit. He is giving me grenade.
I have got a very much. Oh, alright, guys.
I killed him.
Good.
He has AWM. You can't take AWM.
I know that is the problem. I have very less ammo. Wait, but take the sniper ammo. Take the sniper ammo, or else someone else will take it. I have took the sniper ammo.
Yes, you take the sniper ammo. But I don't get tokens with him.
There was no token on him.
Yes, this full Bhima Shakti is already looted by enemies.
I know that, but if it is already looted, how did I looted? How did I get one token?
Only one token.
Oh, there's another. Oh, guy, he has given me a headshot. Go, kill him. Give me revive, fast.
Take inhaler and go.
Yes. I have 12 vanilla, thank goodness. Here I can do a medikit. Alright. What are you doing?
I'm getting too much damage. You run.
How?
You give me some revive.
Wait, I'm coming.
Revive me some token.
Okay. Hurry! Some guys, I am very sorry. We tried a lot to get Booyah, but we couldn't. So guys, meeting you in the next video. For until then, goodbye.